the root of all addiction is the fear of change. Ang gusto natin ay komportable, ang gusto natin ay safe. Now, let the sounds anchor you. Alam ko, genius po yung brain. It will always get distracted with lists, deadlines, or even noises will disrupt your peace. My invitation to you is to slow down your breath and just maybe bring your focus into the sounds. The gift of saying no to others is yes to your happiness and, your safety.
Level up higher.
Hello everyone, welcome to Level Up IRL. I'm your host and showrunner, Sia Hermosa Jorge. Our guest for today is Tonette Asper. She's a sound healer, a Reiki master, a yoga and meditation teacher. She's also a professional food stylist. She's the founder of V432 Wellness in Teachers Village. Welcome, Tonette!
Pinakamagandang buhay po.
Pinakamagandang buhay.
Thank you so much for this honor. I love you. Thank you so much for inviting me and allowing me just to share, the things that had made us sane during this past insane year. Salamat po.
Yes, maraming salamat.
You're so welcome.
Grabe yung mga gong bath. How do you call it? Gong bath lang ba?
Sound
bath. Yan. Kasi iba-ibang instrumento ang ginagamit nila. Siya rin po ay graduate ng UP College of Music.
Opo.
Kaya madami silang alam, guys.
Thank you.
I want to talk about your journey as a healer. How did you start? What triggered it? Parang ganun.
Yes. So, nakakatawa naman, no? So, ilang oras ba tayo?
Mga 5.
Ay, 5 hours. So, ang journey ko, it was all about finding abundance. So, you get to ask the difficult questions in life when you encounter challenges, hardships and trials. You begin to ask, Lord, sino ba ako? Kaya, bakit ba ako nabubuhay sa mundo? Bigla mo na lang itatanong yung sarili mo. When that hard question arose, sabi kong ganon, Lord, gawin mo naman ako mayaman. Sabi kong ganon. Kasi sabi ko,
Gusto ko rin yan.
oo nga sabi ko, kung marami akong gustong gawin and if I had that settled down, no, ang dali ko siyang ma-manifest instantaneously. I had so many things that I wanted to do. So sabi ko, gawin mo na akong mayaman. So way back 2014, dun yung nag-change yung buhay. Una, nagtampo din ako sa music because, may mga babago sa journey and then you create new things. And then medyo napagod ka, na-burnout ka. And then yun na, nagtanong. I got into the practice of yoga. Okay? Tapos, during that time, I read a book by Napoleon Hill. It's entitled Think and Grow Rich.
Okay.
So, ang ginagawa ko noon, nagre-research na ako ng mga taong nagmamanifest ng abundance. Yun. Isa doon, yung nagbigay ng isang napakagarang impact is si Napoleon Hill. So, Think and Grow Rich, sabi ko, okay to. Think and Grow, okay. But none of the pages on the book told about money. It was all about the mindset.
Right.
Ang sinabi niya, if you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Ganon kasimple yung kanyang It's a very inspiring book. It's about 100 years old na. Halos mga businessmen, yun ang mga binabasang libro. So sabi ko ba, ganon yun na. Iba kasi nung lumaki ako, to see is to believe. So, everything pala that's created on this earth, you have to believe in order for you to manifest it. So, baliktad. It turned me 180 degrees talaga na parang, nabago siya. Sabi ko, lahat pala ng nangyayari sa'yo ay kasalanan mo. Or, you're 100% responsible for it. And what's empowering about it, if you're not happy with what's happening around you, you have the capacity to change it and, transform. And the practice is all about awareness. Kasi po, sinabi nung unang panahon, ang kailangan lang po natin ay mahanap ang carrots natin at saka hindi tayo makain ng saber-tooth tiger. Ganon po, kawasak talagang mamamatay na ako, or 'di ba? Life or death talaga. Ngayon, noong unang panahon, ganun ang stress levels. Ngayon, walang signals. Wala lang signal ng phone. O kaya, malilate ka lang. Ganun yung translation ng stress sa katawan. Para kang life or death na rin. Hindi tayo naturuang to decode na, uy, boy ka pa. Okay lang, malilate ka. O kaya, malilate yung bayad mo dito. Or ganito. Or, things that happen that will always happen in life. Hindi na tayo trapped in the victim mode, or hindi tayo trapped in the sinabi kasi ng magulang, pag nangyari to kailangan magalit ka, or there was sinabi, ganitong masaya, ganito ang perfect, ganito dapat, pag ganito mayaman ka, pag ganito, no, there was prejudgment of what happiness, what abundance is. Iba-iba pala siya sa atin.
Yeah.
So nakakalimutan natin yun. Nabuksan yung utak ko ni Napoleon Hill. At the same time, may kaibigan ako na nagsabi na, gusto mo bang mag-yoga? Sabi, uy, pang mayaman yun Sabi ko, anyway.
Magkano?
That time, nga
Sa halagang?
Magkano yun? Sandali lang Pang mayaman yun. Teka, baka ito yun. But anyway, I tried it out. Sabi din dun sa libro, wala kang mababago sa buhay mo kung hindi ka magbabago. You cannot expect things to change doing the same thing. The same things over and over. So, kailangan baguhin mo. Sabi ko, uy, bago to. So, I kid you not, that first yoga class, way back June 2014, it changed my life.
Wow.
Doon ko nalaman na magulo ang utak ko.
Ang ingay.
Yes, ang ingay niya. Bakit?
Oo.
Naandun ako sa Down Dog, nandun na sila sa Warrior 2. Nasabi ko, sorry po. Ano sabi? Alam mong wala ka sa present moment.
Yes.
Ilang beses akong, shucks, nasaan na? Sabi ko, wow, wala ako kung saan pinaka-importante ang buhay. Nandun ako nagpa-practice ng yoga, pero yung utak ko, shucks, kailan ko to gagawin? Ang dami na, no? So, yun yung practice. And then, it was yoga. Yoga was the catalyst. And then, sabi ko, I gotta learn this practice.
Okay.
Kasi doon ako nabago. So, again, still researching abundance, still researching things. And then, my mentors, teacher Eileen Tupas and Abby Rivadelo, sila talaga yung nagpo-push. So, hindi ko lang alam kung sinong nakikinig sa inyo, pero ang unang grupo po namin, alam mo kung gaano kami kabugok, is Vibrators po ang unang pangalan namin. Ganun pa. Dahil puro vibration. Kasi po ganito, di music graduate ka, tapos magyo-yoga ka. Tapos parang ang sarap pag nagyo-yoga, nagsa-sample class ako, parating may music. Tapos sabi ng mga mentors ko, ba't di mo pagsama yung practice? No? You love being mindful, you love music. Pagsama mo. O sige, may grupo kami, Vibrators. So, tas,
Parang acapella, pwede rin siyang acapella group.
Yes, grabe. Sabi ko, pero pag ginugel mo kami, hindi mo kami mahanap. Matagal mo kami mahanap. But anyway, so yung mga teachers namin, they stuck with us. Nag-incubate kami na studio in Katipunan. White Space ang pangalan nun, in front of Ateneo, but it closed during the pandemic. Maraming mga teachers na doon galing. Napakagaling nila. Nagtiis hindi naman. They really mentored as well. Tapos, yun, may nurge namin ang practice ng meditation and sound. Okay? Before, iba pa talaga. As in, production number ako. Before I had the Himalayan singing bowls or the sound bowls, naka-djembe ka, may mga pangkulam ka pa na mga kung ano-ano dyan. As in, may cymbals pa, kompleto. Production number talaga ako nun. Nag-iba din siya nung ang intention lang namin noon was to create a bed of music. Kasi yun yung forte mo So, merong mga nagto-trombone, meron nag-horn, meron pa kaming bass clarinet noon. Si Roxy joined us, si J.R. Mesa joined us. Some people jam with us, violin players. Sir Tots Tolentino, would you believe, nag-flute siya sa amin, nag-sakohachi din siya with us. As in, pinapasok namin yung mga music people just because that was our forte. We can build a bed of music for you wherein the brain can anchor on, which is very powerful. Yun yung pinaka-intention namin, the power of music and sound. And then, healing came. Yun na yung medyo catalyst. Reiki naman ang nangyari noon. So, nung dumadami na, nagiging popular na yung vibrators, may dumadating dito, parang pilay ito. Tapos biglang meron ng mga issues, may mental issues. Sabi ko, bakit kayo nandito? Di ba dapat sa doktor po kayo nagpupunta? Parang, tapos sabi ko, teka, parang naging iba yung direksyon. Parang medyo seryoso na yung dumadating. Ano ba yung kailangan natin pang i-equip yung sarili natin so that we can properly hold space for them. Kasi seryoso na yung mga taong dumadating, no? Pagka ikaw ay nagplant ng seed dito rin, malalaman mo yung journeys, shit happens. So, ganun talaga yun. Once you make a decision, the universe will build the right conditions for you so that you can plant the seeds in the right condition. So,
Yes.
the universe will bring you shit. Ganon ka, ito para sa'yo. Para malaman mo talaga anong gusto mo and then you can plant the seed. So, nabuwag yung vibrators. Nagkaroon kami ng article na nabasa yung isang co-founder, si Isla Antinero, is also a sound healer. Nakabasa siya ng article about 432 hertz. Yung frequency kasi, the normal music that you hear on the radio is 440 hertz. Mas matigas siya ng kaunti. The 430, even standardized yun nung World War II, marami rin pong nag-trump nitong theory na to. Ang dami conspiracy theory yan. So, but anyway, it resonates with the drone of the earth, which is 8 hertz, the Schumann note. So, when you're in this frequency, pag tuning mo yan, medyo nakatono ka sa earth. Ganun siya. Whereas the 440, 8 hertz na mas medyo may clash. So, parang ang theory nila, hindi ka aligned.
Right.
So, parang, sige nga, try natin. So, tinono ang mga instrumento, nagdo-drone lang, tapos nagbe-beats lang, nagdo-drone lang kami ng 432 hertz. I kid you not, after a few minutes, nag-iiyakan na kami. Sabi ko, ano tong frequency na to? So, anyway, siguro kasama lang din sa journey namin na ganun siya. Hindi lang ako lahat. Tapos, tinesting namin yan sa UP. Kasi we close our eyes, papasapi ka, daluyan mo ko, ganyan. So, anyway, you play the frequency. Pagising mo, shucks, ang daming stray dogs, natutulog na. Tapos may mga parating pa na gano'n. So, anong ginawa natin? Sabi ko gano'n. So, unti-unti kang umaalis dun sa, but anyway, tapos meron pa kaming ginawang may mga experiment. You want to really work on the frequency, incubate, really marinate so that you can hold space, properly. Nag-try lang kami, sige nga, if we really connect to the earth, subukan nating magpaulan. Naks, may mga ganun. So, sunken garden, di ba? So, nandun kami, full setup, di ba? May mga trombone. Ano ba to? Nakakahiya ata. But anyway, pikit, ganyan. Mamaya, shucks, umaambon na. Nag-iiyakan na kami, but shucks, bakit ba tayo nagpaulan? Nagtatakbuhan na kami. Dala-dala namin yung mga instrumento. Ganon. Just to be sure, we did it twice. Tapos umulon din siya ulit. Napakagarang practice nun. So, we stuck with 432 hanggang naging V40. So, vibrations 432. Okay. Kaya siya V432 yung aming business or yung aming group also. Nung nahanap namin yung sound healing, with intention, iba po kasi ang music, iba yung industry ng music, meron siyang parang, when you're in the entertainment, napakasarap din po, fulfilling. Pupunta sa gig mo na on a hard day, pupunta doon, yung galing nyo tumugtog, ang sarap do. So fulfilling yung ganun. But in a deeper level, once you come into like a healing, iba na yung level of fulfillment. Nandun na yung feeling ng love and oneness, nandun na siya. Yung true intention. So yung connection ng abundance na nakita or na-meet ko, sabi ko, ito ata yun. Kasi I could play sound healing for maybe 24 hours dahil parang wala kang kinalaman dun eh. Ang gagawin mo lang to really hold space properly is tell the universe, tell God, allow me to be a vessel for you. So that I can play, I can play the sounds for whoever who needs this sound to be relaxing, to be invigorating, to be cleansing. So, vessel lang. Kasi pag sa entertainment, merong pinakamagaling, pinakamataas ang boses, may ganun may pinaka, may ganun siya. So, on an ego level, meron siyang sineselebrate na ganun. Sa healing, doon ko nga rin na-realize siya, doon kami nagkawatakan Sabi ko, teka muna, service to, bakit ganun? Ba't may parang ego? Doon biglang nagkaroon ng teka lang. Doon kami nagkaroon ng, kasi hindi nga tayo kumikita dito teka lang. Akala ko ba, so, but yeah, doon yung unang catalyst, it was yoga, it was mindfulness, and then merging with sound healing, finding the abundance that, that we all are searching for that happiness, no?
Mhm.
So kanya-kanya, iba-iba po. Doon din namin siya nalaman kasi we also teach this module. Iisa lang po yung module namin, pero walang isang sound healer na parehong ng
Yes.
atake, parehong approach. Kanya
True.
yung sharing ng information o kaya nitong practice na to, we very generously give it to the extent ng pinaka dahil iba iba yung vibration mo, tsaka sigurado sa billions ng tao po, sa dami ng tao po, mayroon kang katono at mayroong hindi katono sa akin. So we want to really share this to as much people as we can para mas masarap mabuhay kung tayo ay masaya bawat isa eh.
Yes.
So,
yes.
Ito po yung mga tools para lang, ma-disrupt yung routine ng brain. I'm not saying na pag nandito ka, shit won't happen anymore. I always say that in class.
Yes.
Ito lang yung pagkakataon mo na dito sa shitty situation o kaya sa challenges na to. Kasi science na rin po to, you can never thrive pag ikaw ay stressed. Puro survival ka lang, pwede na yan, ganun na lang. Pero pag ikaw ay vibrations mo ay, di ba, relaxed o ganun, nandun yung stress, minsan bumabait ka pa eh. Minsan, nagkamali ka dun. O sige, anong pwede nating gawin? Nawawala na yung past na, nagkamali, o nafo-focus kasi dun eh. O kaya yung worst na mangyayari sa future, nagiging present ka ngayon pag nag-slow down ka. Iyon naman ang pinaka-importante. Nandun yung shit, biglang, anong pwede nating gawin? Bigla siyang lumuluwag. And then, naging practical, very practical na po yung approach namin. Kasi pag sinabing sound healing, napaka-woo eh. Hindi po. Sobrang
Initially,
practical.
yeah.
Opo, di ba sound healing? Pero katutubo po natin, pinapractice na po ito.
Mga babaylan, tama ba?
Yes, oo.
mga-
Umaga pa lang
It's in their
tinutono
culture.
na nila.
Yeah,
Yes. May sound sila, may drum, may rhythm na itutono na may bagong araw para sa iyo. Bago ito para sa iyo. Hindi yung naisip mo, tapos na yun. Ngayon ay bago.
Yes.
So that's the power of sound. You cannot escape it. Ang power ng sound, it can transition you to different emotions and brainwave states very seamlessly. Kahit ayaw mo yung music, kunyari malakas yun, ano ba yan? Pero, yun
Ano ba yan?
Yes, ano ba yan? Gumaganyan-ganyan ka na, nakagawa-ganyan-ganyan ka na. That's the power of vibrations. It seems out the physical and non-physical aspect of energy. Kasi physical, naririnig mo siya, pero bakit ang effect? Ang saya mo, pero pagrinig mo kaya doon, ba't ka na naiiyak na gano'n? Anong ginagawa nitong music? Di ba? Kaganong ka pa lang, boses pa lang niya eh. Bigla na, maiiyak ka na eh. So, minsan nanunood ka, hindi mo naiintindihan K-pop, pero parang, naiintindihan mo, di ba? That's the power of sound.
Yes.
It seems out everything, all the barriers. It has no limits, no race, no color, di ba? No age. Kung kailangan mo ng sound, nandyan siya. Yun yung practice na abundance na nakita ko. Timely yung pagbasa ng libro, timely yung pag-come into the yoga practice. So, inaral ko yung yoga first initially nung 2016. Medyo matigas talaga yung ulo eh. 2 years pa bago inaral.
Bago lumambot.
Sumakit muna yung katawan bago inaral ng tama, no? So, but anyway, nandito na tayo sa dapat mangyari ngayon. Lahat nga doon din sa journey, yun lahat ng nangyayari ay dapat. Parang sounds lang. Akala mo minsan, cringy yung noise, pero tapos na siya eh. Minsan ganun lang siya, na kailangan mo lang siyang marinig, tapos, yun na. Nangyari na siya. Nangyari na yung effect, natapos na. So, yun yung mga, shucks, bigla akong kumalma. Sorry naman, ang haba kasi ng sinabi ko, isang tanong pa lang. So, anyway, baka may ibang tanong ka pa at may oras pa tayo. Salamat naman, Sia. I love you.
Okay. Teka lang
Yeah.
process ko din eh.
Yes.
When I go to your classes, share ko lang din na yung effect niya is very internal. Kasi I know a documentary din na parang pag nilagyan mo ng sound yung sand, nagbabago, di ba? Yung parang ganon. And the same way, it affects the body. Like, it literally changes your vibration and your energy. Kasi of course, I tried talk therapy and I went into yoga. Tapos I stumbled upon Kundalini yoga and then Reiki as well, hypnotherapy. Tinanay ko lahat, guys. Kasi self-care, important.
Yes,
So,
hanapin mo yung katono mo.
Hanapin mo yung mag-work sa'yo. Try mo
True,
lahat.
try mo lahat yan. Dapat lang
diba?
talaga.
Lalo na I have 4 kids.
Oh my gosh, diba?
So parang, of course, you have to take care of your husband as well, your career, your dreams. Kailangan may goal setting ka pa. It helps with, okay, I'll spend time with myself. And parang treat myself to 1 hour. Minsan 1 hour lang, di ba? An hour. Ano ba naman yung 1 hour sa buong linggo, di ba? 1 hour, it's just, recharge, refuel. So, ako, for me, that's the effect of sound healing. It's so profound and at the same time, para siyang, lahat ng treatment na ginagawa ko, kino-compare ko sa massage. So, parang yung sound healing na 1 hour is equivalent to siguro mga 3 hour massage.
Wow,
Oo,
ang
for
sarap
me.
naman
For me yan,
yan. Thank you.
Tapos, and at the same time, your teacher Isa was saying na after sound healing, you also filter the things that you listen to,
Absolutely.
things that you watch.
Yes.
Can you share that?
Kasi po, tayo ay vibrations in the basic level.
Mhm.
Malaman mo ang epekto ng vibration sa'yo o hindi, maapektuhan ka. So, alamin mo na siya. Di ba?
Mhm.
So, meron kaming mga estudyante who practice yoga every day, nagme-meditation, tapos, teach, bakit ganun? Malungkot pa rin ako. Bakit pa rin ako matatakutin?
Mhm.
Tapos sabi ko, oh, kamusta ang playlist mo when you drive? Sabi
Mm.
niya, oh, yung sabi ko, si X pa rin naiisip. Yung mga playlist niya, ganun
Adele.
pa rin
Si
daw.
Adele yan.
Yes, so ang dami pa rin niya nga. Sa age natin, Adele ang mga pero sila mga kakaiba na yung mga pinakikinggan. So sabi ko, ba kailangan mo lang medyo magkaroon ng boundaries sa mga pinakikinggan mo. Kasi ito nga powerful siya. Minsan nga, ba't ang sakit mo magsalita? Paano nakakasakit yung salita? 'Di ba? When you say something, bakit naapektuhan ka? Bakit ka nasasaktan?
Mhm.
When you say something, dito mo lang sinabi, bakit yung epekto niya ay sobrang, 'di ba? Nandito siya on an energetic level siya. 'Yun ang power ng sound. Ang ginagawa niya actually. So, very practical nga ang sabi ko kanina ang approach namin sa sound. Ang brain po natin, ganito siya ka-genius ha. It will process ang iniisip po niya, ganito siya ka-genius. The moment you wake up to the time you sleep, 60 to 70,000 thoughts a day. Pag inompute nyo po yon, that's 1 thought per second. Kasi pagising mo, ano ka ba? Ano susuot ko? Ano lulutuin ko? Ang dami mo na agad. Babangon pa ba ako? Ang dami mo na iniisip pag ano yung malamig. Ang dami na niyang pinaprocess. So, ang ginagawa nung sound, ina-align lang niya yung 60 to 70,000 thoughts in the present moment kasi hindi mo ma-escape ang sound, okay? Especially, okay, all music is sound, but not all sound is music. So yung music na pinakikinggan mo, maaaring ang intention niya talaga habang kinreate siya, ay paiyakin ka talaga. Kasi merong talagang kailangan mong maramdaman yun para malaman mo ano ang ibig sabihin ng tao sa iyo. Na yon, 'di ba? Nasaan ka na sa buhay mo, malungkot ka pa rin ba kapag naiiyak mo or kaya ko na, kaliwang mata na lang ang umiiyak ngayon, 'di ba? Nalalaman mo na ngayon pagka nararamdaman mo, naririnig mo tong mga sounds na to where you are, no, in your life. So, binibigyan ka niya ngayon ng slowing down in the present moment. Kung meron man siyang na-arise na emotion, kailangan mo siyang maramdaman at i-process in a very non-attached way. Yun ang gift ng sound healing. Kasi, pag ikaw ay nasa sound bath, ikaw ay relaxed. Okay? Ang brainwaves mo pag ikaw ay gising, ganito. Okay? Tapos pag ikaw ay relaxed, ganito. Medyo bumabagal siya. Half awake, half asleep. Ang science po, ang tawag doon ay metacognition. Okay, lalabas ka na ngayon. Pag half awake, half asleep, parang nagdi-dream state ka. Uy, siya, relax ka na. Uy, okay to. Uy, yung labada. Minsan biglang gaganong ka yung labada na nababalik-balik ka. Parang
Tanggal mo
ganun.
ba yung plancha?
Yes,
Yung mga
ganun. Oh, napatay mo
oo.
ba yung ilaw doon? Tapos biglang, yung sound. Yung sound, ibabalik ka na naman doon sa vibration na yon. Yun ang pinaka-healing state natin. Okay, metacognition. Tapos, dahil nasa healing state ka, okay, kaya kadalasan may sound bath, mga naiiyak yung mga tao, may mga ganun, because it's like kind of going to the doctor. Kailangan mo sabihin lahat ng sakit mo doon. So, habang nasa healing state ka na tinatawag nating alpha and theta state, which in your limbic brain will send healthy chemicals, trumping all of your stress chemicals in your organs. Pag nandun ka na sa state na yon, sinasabi niya ngayon na, oy, ito na yung kailangan mong i-process. Tapos minsan nakaalala mo yung tao, tapos naiiyak ka dun sa ano. Kaya lang, dung may sound. Oo nga, magre-relax ka. Pag
Mm-mm.
ikaw ay talagang medyo affected pa, the whole time you will cry. Pero sometimes the body just needs to process it na, uy, 3 years ago na yun, tapos naiiyak ka. Naalala mo, tapos mamaya, lumagpas ka, medyo bumagal pa lang yung brainwaves mo, nag-delta brainwave ka, ay, mamaya nagising ka, tapos nawala na, no? Nandun lang. Minsan, kailangan lang nung brainwave state na yon na malaman mo na nandito ka na, or nasaan ka na. Tapos pag naalala mo yon dahil genius yung brain, alam na niya, uy, medyo okay na, matagal na, no?
Mm-mm.
So, that
Mm-mm.
is the healing brainwaves of your brain. When you come into, parang nakikinig ka ng favorite song mo lang, tapos sumasayaw-sayaw kang gano'n. Shucks, 7 minutes na yun. Tapos, pag naman, di ba, nag-cardio ka na pala for 7 minutes. Gano'n ang power ng sound. Nasisim niya yung time and space. Nawawala siya lahat. Pati yung brainwaves mo, lahat yun nagiging healthy, nagiging one with sound, one with space, one with nature ka, kung ano man yun. Okay? Yun ang nagagawa niya. Yun ang practical na nagagawa niya. Pero, dahil genius yung brains natin, sabi ko nga, 60 to 70,000 thoughts, tapos, dahil genius siya, lahat ng challenges, lahat ng trials, lahat ng hurts mo, sinustore niya sa katawan para hindi na mangyari ulit. So, during this healing states, pag alpha and theta state at nag-arise yan, tas nalaman niya, uy, tapos na pala yun, na-process siya, nag-move na yung energies mo. Which is the scientific, definition of energy. You can never destroy it or you can never create it. Kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng addiction, nagkakaroon tayo ng suffering because we're so attached to that.
Right.
Trap tayo dun sa safe na kahit na masakit yon, alam mong nandun ka. Pag minove mo yung energies na yon, it can be something new na hindi mo alam, which can be very scary for everyone. So ang gagawin, dito na lang ako, alam kong biktima ako, ganito ako, mahihain kasi ako, tsaka ganito ako. So ikikeep mo na lang yon. Ang ginagawa lang nung sound healing, ipaprocess niya yon sa operating table, sa alpha and theta state na ganito ka. Tapos parang, very detached nandun ka Theta, parang third person ang dating, metacognition ang tawag sa science nun. Uy, hindi ka ganyan, hindi ka na. Tapos na yun, nandito ka na, may business ka, may anak ka, magaling ka, you've gone so far.
Yeah.
Ganon yung present moment, nandito ka na. Yun yung sinasabi nung presence mo, no? Nung healing brain mo. So, pag yun na-experience na niya, tapos na yung sound healing pa. Kaya sabi mo, parang hanggang pagtagal, parang okay siya.
Mm-mm.
Kasi nandun din siya sa cerebellum. Genius siya. As it stores all the traumas, it will store all of the beautiful experiences that you will allow yourself to experience. Kaya you remember your first kiss. You remember your favorite song, how it feels. Ngayon na meron ka ng choice, sasabihin niya, pag may challenging situation, naalala mo yung tunog? Naalala mo yung hinga? Pipiliin mo pa ba yung stress? Ganon siya.
Yeah.
So, it's a practice. Pero dahil genius siya, pag hayaan mo siyang, kung ano yung pinapractice mo, doon ka gagaling
Mm-mm.
So, kung parati kang nagkakalma sa sarili mo, parati mong inaalala yung true nature mo of calmness and peace, kung saan ka nakaka-create, kung saan ka masaya, doon ka nagiging healthy. At doon ka nakaka-create pa, naging innovative and all.
Mm-mm.
So, nakaka-journey ka ng, I'm a happy person after all.
Yeah.
Ganon
oo.
siya. Okay.
Sinabi rin ni Teacher Ista, parang you have to listen to songs that are more major. Tama ba?
True.
Tama ba? Major.
Yes.
Tapos manood ko muna ng comedy. Huwag ka muna manood ng true crime. Parang ganun.
Oo. Kasi some people, bakit ako matatakotin? Kasi mahilig tayo sa crime. Ako, honestly, I love watching light crime, mga Elsbeth, mga, I watch FBI. But anyway, mga crime talaga, pag nakakatulugan mo yon, subconscious programming yon The fear that's instilled there, hindi mo alam nasa limbic and nasa cerebellum na programming yon, hindi siya, when you sleep, it's a delta, your brain is still functioning. So, pag
Yeah.
yun, habang napoprogram siya sa'yo, yun din yung emotions na nakikreate mo. It starts here
Yes.
So, naririnig mo siya, tapos yun na yung nakikreate na chemicals ng katawan mo. Matatakotin ka. So, kung gusto mong matulog at nakakatulugan mo, comedy, yung may mga laugh, yung may mga tumatawa para ganun din ang programming mo. If you want, may mga sound healing music, preferably, no lyrics. Kung may lyrics, okay din. Now, Teacher Isla mentioned the minor and major. Most love songs are in minor because they move the energy. Nakaka-move siya. Parang, ganun siya. No? The major, they're activators. So, you hear it in the marches. You hear it in the Baroque. Lahat yan mga major. Parang alive na alive siya. You hear it in the Christmas songs. No?
Yes.
You will notice the music. Bakit ako nagigising pag ganito? Pag inanalyze mo yung chords na ginamit nila, yun. No, may formula na siya. So you can apply it to the, the bowls that you play, to the instruments that you play. Then it becomes very intentional. It becomes, on a very healing level na. Ganun siya.
Parang assuring yun as a filmmaker kasi I'm drawn to like creating comedy films more than dramas. Parang it sort of gives me, parang affirms my purpose kasi parang I'm just drawn to it. When I'm feeling like so down, I go to comedies. I watch comedies and it makes me feel better.
Tsaka napakadami na pong negative sa mundo. I mean, do you watch you listen, you scroll on your page, siguradong meron. And that's the usual things that we do, no? We surrender our power to our phones.
Yes.
So,
the moment we wake up.
Yes, from the moment we wake up, hindi pa nga tayo, kamusta yung tulog ko, kamusta, titingin agad. Ibang tao agad, kamusta yung iba, yun ang nangyayari sa wala yung sarili. So, again, you get to love yourself more. Parang it's like reclaiming your life when you come into these practices.
Ano yung sa tingin mo na, in your experience, like dealing with, talking to different people, ano yung sa tingin mo root of all addiction?
The root of all addiction is the fear of change.
The fear
For
of
me,
change.
yes.
Okay.
Because, you cannot, addiction is something that you cannot let go. Nandun ka eh. So, pag nagbago ka, hindi mo na alam eh. The fear of change, the fear of the unknown.
Right.
Yun mostly eh. The unknown can be very scary. But you can reprogram it to, it can be the most surprising or the most open. Parang you can start on a clean slate. The unknown is where you can start anew. Pinakabago sa lahat, no? Anong gusto mong magsimula. That's the gift of the sun. It will rise for every one of us. Anyone who sent an email, kahit anong email o text na pinadala mo, sisikat ang araw para sa'yo. Ganon yung gift ng vibration, ganon yung gift ng energy na pwede natin, no? So, yun ang natatakot tayo. Ang gusto natin ay komportable, ang gusto natin ay safe. Kahit na malungkot ka, at least alam mo. Yun eh, safe ka. Ano ako eh, ganito ako eh, dito ako eh. If you fight for your limitations, you get to keep them as well. You limit yourself na, alam mo po, science na rin po ang nag-prove, no? Itong nung nagjo-journey ako na napaka-genius po natin, meron po pala tayo. The moment you're born, you have 100 billion neurons that you can use, no? Your brain has that. If you can imagine stacking paper, it runs from LA to Paris. Nandito siya. Ang isang information, pag may nalaman ka, ito yung bago ko, 4 plus 4 is 8. Chijing, may nalaman kang bago. 4,000 synaptic connections lang yun. So, imagine mo, kung yung thoughts mo ay ang nakaraan. Pagising mo yung pa rin ang iniisip mo o kaya yung, di ba, kawawa yung brain mo eh. Kawawa yung 100 billion neurons na yun na hindi mo pa na-explore. So, meron kang capacity. So, lahat po ng bagay din dito sa mundo ay bago na-create, ay inisip muna. So, yun yung power din ng mind natin. Sinabi din na we live in 3 different planes of energy. Your spiritual self, which is the biggest part of you. And then you have your brain that translates that energy. Kasi the moment, bakit mo naisip yun? Bakit yung isang tao hindi niya naisip? Bakit sa'yo dumaloy? You are that vessel of manifesting that energy. Nakita mo dito, kunyari ikaw, gagawa ka ng pelikula, ito yung story ang dumadaloy sa akin, ikaw yung vessel nun. Hanggang sinulat mo na, hanggang na-manifest mo na in the physical. Yun ang nagagawa natin. We are always capable of creating anew. Ang nag-create sa atin, creator cells tayo. In each cell of our being are creator cells. So, kung ikaw ipaulit-ulit lang, kawawa naman. You can never create new things. Ang root ng addiction, ayaw nating ng pagbabago.
Wow.
Natatakot tayong magbago. Gusto lang natin yung safe. Gusto lang natin yung alam na natin.
Comfort.
Comfort.
Comfortable.
Yes.
Yeah,
Comfortable. Yan.
O nga naman, pag alam mo na yung kabisado mo na, kunyari, nalulung ka sa gambling, o nalulung ka sa alcohol, o sa kung ano-ano. Parang, this is familiar. So, this is safe, this is comfortable.
Yes.
So, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna do it. Kasi may mga ayaw kang harapin. Parang in a way.
True. Yes.
Ako iniisip ko, like, at the same time, I don't know if you can explore this further. Parang yung hole, there's a hole that you want to fill when you go into these binging whatever,
Yes.
or
Yes.
kahit ano, iba-iba.
Oo, eh.
Oo.
Kasi trapped tayo sa conditioning na, yung lolo ng lolo natin, gano'n na yung tinuro eh. Ganito ang masaya, ganito ang ano. So we were conditioned that way. Ganito dapat, 'di ba? Even in school, pag may ibang umarte, ay may mental health issues to or gano'n. Yung pala artist siya, yung pala gano'n. We were taught to dapat ganito. Dapat,
Ito yung mga box.
yes, ito yung box. Naka-box ka talaga. I mean, sorry, don't get me wrong. Learning is powerful. Yung thoughts, everything is created in learning. Pero yung power ng awareness, yung power ng focus, nalilimutan. Nakakalimutan natin, the routine dulls the brain eh. Nagiging ganito na lang dapat, ganito na lang dapat. When we reach that point, at nandun ka, ay, hindi ako masaya. Bakit hindi ito? Ba't sabi ng lolo ko, ito yung masaya? Bakit ako hindi? Kasi iba ka na eh. No? Nagbabago ang lahat. That's the meaning of energy. It will always transform it. It will always change. No?
Right.
So, dapat ka lang na magbago. So, nandun ka ngayon, dapat ka lang magbago. Yan, yung pagbabago natin, yan ang pinaka-hardest, no? For us. So, parati kang dapat nagbabago, para mo din siya ma-activate. Ito din, takot tayong maka-experience ng new things because of the unknown. Pero pag naka-experience siya ng new things, na-unlock mo naman siya.
Oo.
Okay? Parang next level lang siya. Sa buhay, malalaman mong may next level ka pag may challenges kang nangyayari.
Oo.
Na parang, pinapaalam na sa'yo kung
Nahihirapan ako
importante sa'yo.
parang may discomfort.
Yes!
That's
ganun
growing na eh. No?
Yes.
That's,
You need to be lost in order to be found eh. Ganun,
Yeah.
hahanapin mo yung sarili mo talaga. So, pag nag-slow down ka, doon mo malalaman where your thoughts are, where your energies go. Para, again, the awareness is the power. Kasi doon mo malalaman saan ka, magte-change ba ako? Do I keep doing things? And you can keep doing things kung masaya ka. Kung hindi ka masaya, yung awareness na, kaya ko palang baguhin. Stick to that. It's the practical, meaning na pag binago mo, may bagong mangyayari. Baguhin mo nga lang yung pag-toothbrush mo eh. Di ba kanang ka mag-toothbrush?
try mo sa left.
Try mo sa left, magbe-build ng bagong synaptic connections.
Oo, correct.
You will approach the day differently. Promise, may baguhin ka lang sa routine mo ng isa, may bagbabago, biglang may synchronicities mangyayari. May energy kasi na dumadaloy na, may nag-open, biglang may papasok sa'yo.
Even if probably you're not aware of it, or other people, your loved ones, are seeing this addiction in you. Parang try mo lang that small thing, no? Of parang, try naman natin to. Parang, and then make it fun.
Yes.
So, it can help already the person parang undergoing addiction or
Yes.
na hindi makaalis sa parang sa
Opo.
daily.
Alam mo, you have to give your brain, credit. Napakatalino po niya. Ang kailangan mo lang ma-experience siya. Kasi yung experience, it will strengthen the bond of that, let's say, kunyari, happiness. No? Pag na-experience yun ng katawan, yun yung pinaka-feeling eh. That chemical, that limbic brain will send to your body, that will propel you to move and do things. Pag yung iniisip mo ay fearful, ganon din yung chemicals, you create fearful things also. Ganon siya. You will do fearful. Ganon din ang pine-prepare mo yung sarili mo. So, kung hinayaan mong, sige nga, subukan ko to, at nag-enjoy siya, yun na, maalala na nyo, nag-unlock siya bigla. Pwede pala ako mag-unlock. In this life, yung first step talaga yung pinaka-ano eh.
Oo.
Minsan,
Pinakamahirap.
pinakamahirap. Ang gusto kasi natin, again, safe at komportable, 1 to 10. Steps 1 to 10, dapat tapos na, alam na natin. Yung palang hinihigi lang ng universe, gawin mo lang. Pag tumapa ka, Biglang
Oo.
bumubukas pala siya, biglang
Yes.
dumadali lahat.
Mm.
Ganun.
So, parang sa Marvel, naisip ko yung timeline. Yung ginawa ni Loki na.
Yeah. Ganun, ito na yon, no? May mga ganon, di ba?
Oh,
Yeah,
may ibang
diba?
path
Ibahin mo
dyan,
lang.
ganun.
Yes. Ibahin mo lang yung trajectory mo.
Yes,
Diba?
oo.
Kasi pare-pareho ka na eh.
Oo. Do you have any advice on how to prevent siguro addiction or overcoming addiction other than the one that we discussed na parang i-disrupt mo na yung routine mo?
Ang pinaka ano doon is have a mindfulness practice. And then umaga pa lang, if you can really set that tone for yourself. Kasi if you really want change, nandito ka na eh. Gusto ko nang magbago. Hayaan mo na talaga yung sarili mong mag-experience. And lahat tayo nagdaan doon. Meron tayong addiction dyan na kailangan mo lang piliin talaga yung sarili mo. Okay? So, it's really managing your energy, and then if you can surround yourself with people who have the same practice, para, again, nandun ka sa energy ng yun. Nandun ka sa vibe na yun. Kasi kung nasa old vibration ka at ikaw doon, pwede naman, mahirapan ka lang. Parang going against the stream. You can go, pero medyo mas mahirap.
Mas
So, if you
mabagal.
change, di ba? If you change your vibration, nandun ka, medyo mas madali. Minsan nawawala ka pa nga, kaya lang dito papunta, okay, sige, gawin ko nga. Biglang, di ba, dumadali na siya. Keep having a mindfulness practice. Kung sinabi mo magbabago ka, pag gising mo pa lang, di ba, itapak mo na yung paa mo sa floor. Nasabihin mo, bagong tao ka na. Ito na yun. And if you can instill that in you, na maging mabuti ka sa sarili mo, kasi it starts with kindness eh. And it starts with love. Pag
Self-love.
Yes, pag mahal mo yung sarili mo, isi-serve mo siya at ilalove mo siya ng tama. 'Di ba? Okay, sinabi mo na hindi eh. Alam mo na yung resulta nun eh. No? So, itono mo na siya. It starts with that intention every day and that dedication. Kailangan mo lang piliin ang sarili mo araw-araw. Again, the first few steps will always be challenging kasi bago na naman to. Pero, oras na naramdaman ng sarili mo, yung pagmamahal na yun, it will always look for that. Your body, your heart, even your mind, hindi, kailangan kong mag-yoga, o kailangan kong mag-meditate, o kailangan kong umupo, o kailangan kong pakinggan yung tunog na yan. Hahanapin niya yun para siya, kasi genius siya eh. Kailangan mong itigil yan, ganun siya. Hindi yan mabuti sa'yo. Kaya tayo nagkakasakit eh. Because your body is telling you, stop it, love me. You're doing something that's not good for your body, please love me. Yun ang sinasabi niya. So, yun lang ang ginagawa. So, pag start mo ng day, I love myself. Ano ang kailangan mo ngayon? Haharapin ko na naman tong taon to, tong ganito. So, kailangan ko ng patience, ganito. Sabi ko na, I will choose differently today. Kung na-choose mo ulit siya ngayon, the next day, pwede ka pa rin. That's the gift of the day, no? Pwede kang magbago araw-araw. You just have to choose yourself every day. Every single time, choose yourself.
Okay, so ito naiisip ko na yung mga taong bigay ng bigay and at the same time it's intrinsic in our culture na parang may pagka people pleaser tayo, yan, and we're always parang dapat mabait kang tao, dapat naman tiisin mo, so ano yung parang sometimes kasi naabuso,
True.
sometimes nauubos ka,
Absolutely.
so ano yung what can you advise us, ako pala na ganun, na parang may pagka-default siya sa atin as a culture, I think.
It's in our culture, the hiya culture.
Yes.
Na hindi naman, nasalin sa atin yan nang wala siyang benefit. It's different from humility. It's different from kindness. Hiya is shame. You're ashamed, di ba? Kahit gutom na gutom ka, okay lang po. Di ba? Bakit ka
Kainin ko na lang tong papel.
Di ba? Mamaya na lang, kahit wala ka. I mean, hindi po siya beneficial for anybody.
Shame siya, no?
Shame siya eh. Akala nila it's a sign of humility. Hindi po. Hindi po siya sign of humility. It's shame actually. Ang invitation...
And shame is stored
Yes.
in your body as
Shame is
energy.
stored. Yes, it is an energy na na-program na sa'yo.
Yeah.
Pwede nating i-reprogram yan. Again, kasi sa ating culture din, pagka confident ka, akala nila mayabang ka, yung mga ganun. But it's actually owning your space, yung pandemic has awakened us so much. No one was spared.
Yes.
No doon mo malalaman importante sa'yo, hindi pala pwedeng mahiya. Paano ka mabubuhay? Di ba? Hindi, wala eh. Hindi, you're not your job, you're not ano. Kasi wala ka, hindi ka kikita, hindi ka ano. Paano ka, sino ka nung wala yung job, sino ka nung wala kang ginagawa, sino ka ngayon? Nahinto ka. Ang pinaka-gift na tinuturo ko, even ngayon sa akin, the gift of no.
The gift of no, of
Yeah.
saying no.
Of saying no.
Yes.
The gift of saying no to others is yes to your happiness and, your safety. Kasi we're always, di ba, yes tayo ng yes pag uwi ng bahay, reklamo ka ng reklamo, galit na galit ka, and then you end up miserable. Difficult conversation, ayaw natin yung ganun eh. Again, it's the shame ng judgment. It's the shame na, baka kung anong isipin ng iba. We're always in that culture of, judgment of others. And wala ka namang kinalaman sa energies na yun. So, once you say no, pag kinat mo na yung channel na yun, may energy na bubukas sa'yo. Uy, nakikinig yung energy, nag-yes na siya sa gusto niya. Bigla na lang yung nag-unfold na yung susunod na mga questions sa'yo, talagang yes na to. Once you understand how to say no, kailangan mo lang matutong sabihin siya ng lovingly and kindly na, no, ito yun talaga. Okay, for this time, I choose myself. Hindi ko po siya gagawin. Tapos bigla na lang siyang dumadali. Yung yeses na hinahanap mo na gusto mo, bigla siyang dumarating sa'yo. It starts with that no.
Right. Ang hirap na.
Actually, it is.
Ang hirap
Pati
mag-no.
ako, yes, tayo, lalo na.
Lahat,
It's the culture of hiya.
Yeah.
It's the culture of yung shame na yan. Grabe yan.
Mm-mm.
So, kailangan lang nating i-unlearn. Matagal ng culture yun. So, it's not our fault as well. Again, the power of awareness is the power to transform and change. The moment you are aware na ginawa mo yun, meron kang power to change. No, pwede mong sabihin, ay, sandali lang po. I think I changed my mind. That's also owning your space and setting boundaries. You can absolutely change your mind, no? Talagang you own that, sa'yo yan, no? So, hindi siya isip ng iba. Ikaw lang ang nakaka-manage niyan. So, kung binago mo, you can absolutely say no.
All the battles that you need to face is really internal, no? It's everything is here. O kunyari, adik-adik ka, tapos sabihin ng nanay mo, kahit na magbubunga nga yan sa'yo every 8 a.m., hindi ka makikinig diba? Talagang andito yung control. Yun
Yes.
everything is controlled here. Ito yung CPU. CPU talaga.
Yes, tama
Robot
yan,
na.
tama yan.
Ito yung dapat nililinisan hina-housekeeping yan, bina-vacuum, gano'n.
Pero kung
Yeah.
ikaw ay nagtutoothbrush at naliligo araw-araw, dapat yung brain mo ganun din, no? Kasi nga 60 to 70,000 thoughts yan eh. Kawawa siya. Kung
Oo.
yung mga yung phones nga natin, pag sa gabi, bakit ang bagal nito? Kasi may mga apps na tayong hindi ginagamit. Ganon din sa brain. Rest. We take rest and even sleep for granted. That's why it's hard to sleep.
Yes.
Because we go home with our, situation, with our issues, hanggang kailangan mo na lang matulog. Ganon iniisip mo pa rin siya. Pagising mo, pagod ka. Wala siya eh. Hindi intentional lang rest. Again, matalino to eh. Sabihin mo sa kanya, tapos na yung araw. Matutulog na tayo. Kung 4 na oras lang yung tulog mo, sabihin mo sa sarili mo, 4 na oras na pinaka-healing na tulog to. Ito yung pinaka-kailangan nating tulog. You don't even need an alarm clock sometimes, no?
Yes.
When you tell your brain,
oo.
gising tayo ng 5 ha,
Oo.
gising tayo ng 5. Subukan nyo kung gaano ka-genius to.
Oo, totoo.
Lalo na with intention, bumagal kasi mo, gigising tayo ng 5. Ganun ka lang with intention, tingnan mo, you
Totoo.
will wake up before the alarm clock. 2
Yes.
minutes, 3 minutes before the alarm clock.
That's
Ganun
so
siya.
true. Yeah, ganun ako.
Ka-genius.
Best and healthiest way na magpagpag at proseso ng negative emotions.
So, the best way is actually to feel all those emotions because you're meant to experience them. Ang lang is bawal tumambay. Kasi lahat yan are all energies that you're meant to experience and then nilabel lang natin siya. But on a vibrational level, it's just energy. Okay? Na sinabi lang natin, sad siya. Pero actually, energy lang siya na naramdaman mo para mo malaman kung ano pa yung energy mo pang makreate. Diba? Na pumasok siya sa'yo, nagkaroon ka ng chemical na na-create
Reaction?
ang katawan mo.
Chemical.
Okay. Gumawa ka ng sarili mong 'di ba, chemicals sa katawan mo para makakreate ka niyan, makakagawa ka pa ng sarili mong chemicals din to decreate all of those, no? Parang tanggalin mo talaga din 'yon. So, anyway, the best way is in the morning. Lalo na pag groggy ka. So, before you own your power, let go of the phone. If you can let go of the phone for 1 hour, ikaw lang muna. Paggising mo, wala kang aatupagin kundi sarili mo lang. Okay? Anong kailangan mo ngayon? If you can just even slow down. Kung pwedeng hinga lang ang isipin mo, kasi nga marami siyang pinaprocess eh. So, bigyan mo lang siya ng space, ng hinga. Even in your sleep, nagpa-process pa din siya. Ito intentional. Ito mindful. So, you're bringing in the healthy chemicals. If you're going into let's say, a challenging day, yan, may shoot ka, anong kailangan ko? Oh, pasensya. How does patience feel? Nire-rehearse mo na siya. Para pagdating ng performance, di ba?
Right.
Game ka na. No? It will always change the performance, at least nakapractice ka na. Di ba? So, you go through your day, anong kailangan? Uy, makikita ko tong taong to, shucks, ayoko nung tawa niya. So, sabihin mo lang na, okay, pag tumawa siya, tawa lang. 'Di ba? Okay lang 'yun. Process mo, tawa lang 'yun, 'di ba? Hindi mo kailangan bigyan ng meaning. So, in the morning, and then it's good also before you sleep para nakatono na yung brain mo.
Sa gabi, pag minsan pag masyado maraming laman, di ba?
Oo.
You have difficulty sleeping.
Yes.
So, ito yung, parang may, someone told me to, parang may pensive ka sa Harry Potter. Pero journal mo, ganyan.
Yes.
Doon
Get
mo
it
i-offload.
yes.
Pero kailangan mo mag-offload.
dapat lang, no? Or you can tell your brain, nasabihin mo tapos na. And then you can have some guided meditation with sound. Again, powerful po kasi yung sound eh. Sobrang powerful niya pagka it can carry the intention. So, mag-ano ka lang ng cleansing or clarity, your sound healing for clarity, sound healing for sleep, kung kailangan mo, marami na po dyan. Again, marami na po tayong tools, ikaw na lang po ang pumipili.
Oo, piliin mo na.
Opo,
A to Z na yan.
Yes, napakadami na po natin.
As a healer, no, what did you observe, like, how different is it the way you look at the world now that you're a healer? And also, how do you look at other people?
Malaking pagbabago. I'm still the vibrators. Nandun pa
Founding
rin ang mga
member.
kalokohan natin. But it's just, again, a different, siguro pag tumatanda, pag pa-50 ka na, ganun na ata talaga, you begin to really enjoy and just choose where you put your energy. Kasi again, practical lang po ang approach. Lahat po, again, all emotions are valid. Pwede kang magalit because anger tells you that, you know, what you truly believe in, medyo nag-cross siya. Kaya ka nagagalit. Kasi ito yung pinag-usapan. Meron tayong hindi na meet. So, nasad ka kasi may loss. Pwedeng grief ka dahil may loss, no? Lahat yun ay energies na kailangan mo. Kaya lang hindi ka pwedeng tumambay doon because it will down-regulate your genes and create disease. All these emotions, no? The opposite of stress, again, is relaxation. Hindi na ituro sa atin yun eh.
Yes.
Dati, pag may stress, ang turo sa atin, laban. O kaya, o kaya umalis ka dyan, ganun. Hindi pala na, kalma ka. Kumalma ka lang. Hinga. Hinga ka. Nagiging genius ka eh. Biglang, pwede itong gawin. Kinakailangan mo lang palang mag-slow down to see things, no? Na, everything is provided for. Everything is fully everyone is fully supported. All you needed to do was just slow down, take what you need, leave what doesn't work for you. Ganon siya.
Yes.
Ganon lang. Shucks, matanda na talaga magsalita. Pero, it sounds so easy. But it's the practical approach. Na kapag ikaw ay na-stress, magkakasakit ka.
Totoo. At ito na nga, share ko lang din, nagkasakit na nga ako. Kasi, when I gave birth to my 4th child, I got an autoimmune in return.
Okay.
So, itong autoimmune na to, parang I learned when I was, pandemic to, inaaral ko, yung toxicity in all levels, yun yung kailangan mong ibawas. Like, from your detergent, to your shampoo, to the people, to whatever practices you have in your life. Ganun. Yun yung kailangan mo tanggalin, bawasan. So, ang question ko is, how do you identify na minsan kasi hindi mo alam na toxic pala sa'yo eh. How do you decipher that? And also, meron ba yung indicator sa mind and body?
Absolutely. Number one, magkakasakit ka.
Mm-hmm.
And then things things that are happening around you will not be good. Ako, alam na alam kong hindi maganda ang energy ko. Kasi, kunyari galit ako, bigla na lang, shucks, may masisira, may malalaglag na gamit. Uy, shucks, yung energy kailangan mong i-align. Alam mo ng powerful, alam mo ng ganun ng energies na, minsan nga, umiiyak-iyak ka lang, things will happen, may magbabanggaan dyan. Bakit sa akin nangyari yon? May masasagasaan na gano'n. Oh my gosh, bakit gano'n? It starts with you.
Oo.
So, makikita mo with the things that are happening around you.
Right.
Tapos, yung katawan mo, your
Oo.
body is your ally. Number one supporter mo siya. Actually, pinaka-last na siya. Pag lumabas na siya sa katawan, ibig sabihin, matagal mo na siya. Naging habit mo na siya.
Yes.
So, on an energetic level, pabalik ka.
Mm-mm.
So, ano yung ginagawa mo, tapos anong nararamdaman mo habang ginagawa mo, anong iniisip mo habang ginagawa mo yun. Ganun siya. So, pabalik ka lang para ma-deprogram mo siya.
Right.
Yes.
Oo. And it's about also, minsan, ikaw yung toxic, minsan, yung toxic na tao naman. Now, what if sobrang attached ka dun sa toxic na person na yun? What will you do?
Attach ka sa, oh my gosh.
Diba? Ang
Again,
dami niyan.
Opo.
Ano yan? Sa lahat, it's so
Opo.
common.
Again, it's the practice of self-love. You're just, again, parang, again, it's the routine, it's the fear of judgment, it's the hiya, it's the shame, again, of the judgment. Kailangan mong piliin yung sarili mo talaga, na mahalin mo. Especially, pag hindi na siya masaya. It's the root of most stresses.
You know parang
Yes, na
kailangan
parang,
mo lang i-check.
yes, yung truth, nandoon talaga. And slowing down will show you that.
Yung
Kailangan.
1 hour na.
Yes,
Sa
even just a
umaga.
few minutes, of slowing down, doon mo nga marirealize, shucks, nakaupo ako dito, pero ang iniisip ko yung 5 days from now, or yung ganun-ganun. Ang layo na ng iniisip mo. Okay, hindi yung ngayon, hindi yung mamaya, hindi, ang layo na eh. Ganun siya. So, even just 5 minutes will bring awareness. Para mo makuha yung power mo. 'Di ba? At saka ma-enjoy mo yung buhay. Hindi doon, hindi siya bukas eh, hindi siya kahapon eh. Ngayon to eh. Ngayon.
As a parent, I feel like I grew up na my parents try to protect me from discomfort.
Absolutely. Yun ang gusto nila.
Conditioning. May
Oo.
conditioning na gano'n, no?
Yes.
And feel ko pa rin yung effect niya. Parang feeling ko, hala, parang ayoko pa rin ng discomfort. So, parang how do you change? Parang, alam mo yun, rewire.
Pagka nagtatanong-tanong ka ng ganyan, again, connect yourself with, like-minded people. Kailangan mo lang i-change talaga yung vibrations mo. No? Importante yung pagbabago. Kailangan nating i-embrace yung change. Pag yun na nga na-experience niya yung mas masarap, meron na siyang choice. Hindi na niya gagawin yun. Sabihin niya, ayoko nun. Pangit sa katawan natin yun. Sasabihin na niya, ito na, mas masarap to.
Oo.
Mas gusto ko to. Ayun lang, kailangan mo lang talagang baguhin.
Para lang alam din ng ating mga listeners and viewers, alternative ways of healing.
Yeah.
So, that's what you practice. You practice Reiki. Ano ba yung Reiki?
Oh, Reiki it works in the premise that we all have the capacity to be a channel of healing, okay, for ourselves and for others. Yun siya. Ikaw ay channel ng healing. It works in the precepts of peace, unang-una, trust, gratitude, love, and joy. Yun ang
Okay.
pinaka-precepts niya, which is all of, I guess, the precepts of all belief system. So, kaya akala nila parang religion ang dating, no? But it's actually an energy practice. Parang music. Kaya ko siya gusto, dahil wala siyang religion. Wala
Totoo.
din siyang race, wala siyang edad, wala siyang kulay na
Oo.
pinipili. Ang Reiki ay energy na pwede nating itap. The moment, again, it's a channel. You can be a channel of that healing, the channel of trust, the channel of peace, and the channel of kindness. So like any other practice, you can also learn this informally or formally. Kasi ngayon ang information is nandyan lang.
Right.
Kahit anong practice.
Yes.
Ang galing mong musiko, saan ka nag-aral? Sa YouTube po. Ha?
Or
Wala, di ba?
Oo,
Ganun
pag
na
Sabado sa TikTok po.
Di ba, TikTok? O, di ba, ganun lang, di ba? Alam na, as in, lahat ng information, kung gusto mong mahanap yung sarili mo, nandyan siya. Reiki is one practice. That's why I love it. We infuse all of our sounds with Reiki.
Yes.
So, nung nag-Reiki practice kami, again, ito dito nagbago. Kaya kami naging V432 Wellness from vibrators. Ito rin yung practice na yun. Nung dati, gusto lang namin makabuild ng sounds, ng magandang sounds. Nung Reiki, may intention na. Na wala na kaming actually kinalaman sa kinikreate namin. Nagpapasapi na kami. Sabihin namin, I tell, Lord, use me.
Yeah.
I am here. Allow me to be a vessel. Whoever needs me, please let them find me. Yun ang sinasabi ko sa kanya every time. Wala, naiiyak ako. Every time I hit a ball, I tell the Lord, Lord, use me. Let the sounds be relaxing. Let the sounds be healing. Kung sinong may kailangan nito, please let them hear this. Ganun. Yun ang power ng sound. Yun yung unlimited na abundance na nakita and na nahanap namin with this practice na iba siya. Again, music is powerful but the power of sound healing is different. Yan.
Yeah.
With intention. Yun yung nagawa ng Reiki. Wow, grabe. Umiiyak ang lola. But yeah, ayun siya.
And thank you for the work that you do, my gosh.
You're so welcome. Thank you. I love you. That's why pag sinabi may sound healing, yes! Kasi nagiging channel ka eh. Parang pati ikaw. So it's also beneficial as a healer because we get healed as we get to the practice, as we go and then share the practice.
Yeah.
Diba?
So, share ko na din kasi meron sila palaging sound, how do you call it?
Sound healing classes, yeah.
Sound healing classes and yung festivals.
Yes, we have
You
festivals.
You have several festivals throughout the year.
Yes.
That you can check out at their IG website. I remember this parang inis na inis ako. Tapos nag-meditate ako. Guided meditation sa Spotify. So, na-realize ko, okay, hindi kaya ng 10 minutes to. Parang, yung inis ko, teka, yung 1 hour. 1 hour to.
Oh my God.
Adjust ka no? Adjust ka lang.
Adjust ka lang. Kalma ka lang. Kasi wala kang makikreate na maganda sa ganong vibration.
True.
Yes.
And of course, sound healing.
Yes, sound healing.
Ito na, meron tayong sample.
May sound bowl ako dito. It's sumama siya sa akin kanina din sa house cleansing. It works with the energies of the heart. Kung gusto nyong malaman yung nota, it's the F note.
F note.
Yeah,
Okay.
so yan ang power ng sound, no? It can disrupt everything. No? Pag you cannot escape it. Pag kinalembang ko to, 'di ba? Kahit anong iniisip mo, madi-disrupt niya.
Oo.
We'll make the disruption very intentional and very useful. Let's do like a 1 minute or 2 minute sound healing meditation if you're good.
Yeah.
So, if you can find your comfortable seated position, make sure that anything touching the ground, make it grounded.
Touch the ground and feel grounded. Yes.
Ganon na. Root it firmly onto the floor. Kung nakaupo kayo sa upuan, I highly recommend you come into the edge of your seat. Ayan. So that you're not leaning it to the back or to the front or to the sides. And then bring the shoulders over the hips, head above the shoulders. And I always say this in class, pwede po tayong ngumiti. While you close your eyes, iba po ang pakiramdam ng vibrations. I'm gonna just hit the bowl. And then let the sounds be your anchor. Okay? Now with the sounds, let's slow down our breath. My invitation is to breathe in and out through your nose if you can. Only if you can. Again, iba-iba po ang katawan natin. If you'd like to breathe a different way, go ahead and just flow with your breath. Now, let the sounds anchor you. Alam ko, genius po yung brain. It will always get distracted with lists, deadlines, or even noises will disrupt your peace. My invitation to you is to slow down your breath and just maybe bring your focus into the sounds. And if you can, then nothing to force, say thank you. Say thank you to your lists. Say thank you to your deadlines. And give yourself permission just to dedicate a minute or so for you and all to you. This time, you don't have to do anything or take care of anybody. You don't even have to think of anything. All you need to do is just listen. Focus onto the sounds. And slow down your breath. Take deep breaths in. And deep breaths out. Now begin to bring awareness back to your body, back to your senses, and begin to notice, okay, may pagbabago po ba? Ilang minuto lamang po yun ng pagtatanggal natin sa iniisip natin, nakikinig lang po tayo at binagalan lang po natin yung hininga natin. Meron po bang pagbabago? Kung meron o wala, you're exactly where you're meant to be. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You are perfect, you are whole, you are complete as you are. When you're ready, you can begin to flicker your eyes open and even smile.
Yes.
Kamusta po kayo? Pati boses ng bago, di ba? Yan.
If you go to Spotify, they have a playlist there as well.
Yes,
Diba?
may Spotify po tayo, Soulful Tones. You
Soulful
have
Tones,
morning
yeah.
meditation, you have meditation for sleep, sound healing for sleep. And also, kung hindi ka talaga matulog, maririnig mo yung boses ko. May 14-minute relaxation, meditation, focused on the body. Yung mga muscles from the head all the way to the feet, i-describe, i-relax.
Seriously, it's just really, for me, it's life changing. It's one of the self-care classes that I love to go to. Talagang guys, tinetono niya talaga yung katawan niyo, tinetono niya talaga. Kailangan siya. Do it for yourself. I recommend, like, check Miss Tonette and her IG. We'll flash it here. Oh, may flash it here. Oh, yung ganun ah. And thank you, teacher.
You're so welcome. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat. I hope our viewers and listeners learned a little something about, this kind of healing, and sana may na tanggal na mga latik. Paglatik. Kalawang pala. Paglatik. Ay, nasa suman na ako.
Pagkain.
Oo, gutom na yarn.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Tanggal kalawang, guys.
Yes.
So, thank you very much.
You're so welcome. Thank you for this honor. I love you.
Thank you, guys. See you next time.
Bye.
Little up higher.